Sa hirap magpatawa ngayon, lahat na lang na-offend, lahat na lang pangit yung sinasabi namin. Gusto lang po namin magpasaya ng tao. That's all that we want. So, chill.
The star for Best Comedy Actor goes to... Ivan, please.
Best Comedy Actor, Paulo Contis.
Paulo Contis.
GMA 7.
Presenting the award is PMPC member Boy Romero.
Thank you, Ms. Pops. And Boy
And
Abunda.
congrats.
Hindi ko po ito in-expect. Hindi ko in-expect to. Thank you, PMPC, sa pagbigay ng award na to. Of course, thank you to GMA7, sa mga boss ng GMA7, Ms. Annette, Ms. Cheryl, Ms. Joy Marcelo, Ms. Ja, Ms. Cecil, sa lahat ng Bubblegang family, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa creative ng Bubblegang. Thank you to PMPC dahil binibigyan ng importansya ang comedy. Sa hirap magpatawa ngayon, lahat na lang na-offend, lahat na lang pangit yung sinasabi namin. Gusto lang po namin magpasaya ng tao. That's all that we want. So, chill. And special tong award na to, dahil inaalag ito kay Nay Lolit. Para sa ito, Nay, ipapakremate ko rin to, Charisse. At special din tong award na to dahil ayoko i-preempt. I-preempt ko na dahil kasama kong mananalo ang isang matalikong kaibigan na tatawagin ng susunod. Maraming salamat po.
Kaya naman pala siya.
Just to pay tribute to Paulo Contis. One actor who can do comedy and who can do drama just as brilliantly as he can. Totoo yan. Coming from the bottom of my heart.
Brilliant.
At meron din siyang sinabi ngayon na importante. Alam niyo po, hindi madali maging komedyante sa mga araw na ito. You know, I remember when, who was this comedian? Joan Rivers was still alive. She used to complain dahil nahihirapan na raw siya lang magkomedya dahil sa daming iniiwasan. You make a joke about this sector, you're politically incorrect. Hindi ka pwede magbiro tungkol dito, you're against animal rights. Hindi ka pwede magbiro dito because you're anti-something. So, for Paulo and the rest of the comedians today, mabuhay kayo because it is not an easy time for comedy.
It is a tough job, actually. No matter what generation, di ba? Yan ang pinakamahirap gawin.
Sa main bingo
We need to laugh. We need to laugh.
Oh yeah?
Moving on.